guys, welcome to another video. I just picked this up, Resident Evil 3 PS4. Yeah, I love the Resident Evil games there, but I'm a sucker for the PS1, original games there. But I still enjoy these remastered games. I played every one. I downloaded the first one, I bought part 2. I also even downloaded Code Veronica. It was just like an upscaling version, not a complete remaster, but Resident Evil 3 is a complete remaster, and yeah, I'm excited to play it. So let's get into it. It's Resident Evil. It's Resident Evil. And now, quick word from our sponsor. I just opened it up. There's nothing much to these games anymore. They basically give you a disc in a plastic case for 80 plus bucks. But it should still be a fun game. I'm excited to start it up. It's dead. It's alive. It's a brain fest. Oh yeah, it's just a disc, no book anymore, none of that stuff, eh? Oh yeah, I always need a physical copy though. I'm not huge on digital or downloading stuff. Oh, Jill Valentine. I remember getting part 3 for PS1, I don't know, maybe Christmas 2000 or 1999, around that time. I forget the exact year. And I remember beating it that night. It felt so short, but in retrospect, even part 2, which is my favorite one, it's very short too. I could beat that one in like 3 hours nowadays, but it has lots of replayability because of the different storylines and different characters you could beat the game with. So also includes a new 4 versus 1 experience. Ooh, I didn't even know about that. That should be interesting. I don't know if we can beat the game together, or is it just like a free-for-all or what, but it should be pretty fun. Anyways, guys, so that's just another little pickup unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.